Hey y'all, welcome back to Oh No Adventures. In today's video, we are going to be installing the Redline Tuning Quicklift Elite gas struts for the hood of our 392 Wrangler. We started by installing the bottom bracket for the gas struts on both the driver and then the passenger side. After removing the factory bolt, all you do is insert the bracket and then tighten it back down, using the same bolt that you just took out. In order to install the top bracket, you'll have to pop out this fastener that is attached to the rubber molding on the bottom side of the hood. Once that's popped out, your top bracket will slide into the opening right there that you see in the hood. It can be a slippery little sucker, so make sure you protect your fenders when you're doing this. After finishing on the driver's side, we went over to the passenger side and repeated that process again for that top mount. Now that the brackets are installed, we have to notch out this part right here. Having to notch out that bracket is specific to only the 392s. That bracket is not there on your regular 3.6 liter. Now we move back to the driver's side. You have to loosen this bracket, and there is a metal grommet that's going into the fender that you will have to pop out and then put that bracket right back into the same spot that it came out of without the grommet there. And you'll see it in my hands right there. Then tighten that bracket down, and then we should be good to go. Now it's time to put the struts on. And that's it. They're both installed. The longest part was grinding down that bracket. Now pop it open. This is a low-cost modification that we highly recommend for you to put on your Wrangler or your Gladiator. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already.
Oh, no, no, no.